I-off ko na nga yung notif para hindi mo nalalaman. Matutulog na talaga ako nito. Anong request? Kala mo naman talaga. Mahaba po talaga. Tama. Hindi ko po alam yung yakap. Kung paano kantahin. Hindi po talaga ako singer. Ano lang po talaga. Nagla-live lang ako para mag-hi sa mga kung saan napapunta. Parang hindi ako sa buhok eh. Ay, sa shampoo. Yung shampoo. Parang mas gusto ko pa yung mga serum. Yung mga talagang nilalagay sa anit. Kesa shampoo. Yun yung inaaral ko kung ano maganda. Kasi yung iba kong binasa, ang effect nung iba, parang lalong ninipis for ilang months bago kumapal. Parang ayoko naman ng ninipis pa. Ricky? Medyo mukha pa naman, one team, pero nararamdaman ko na rin. Di pa naman churnets, pero syempre, medyo, alam mo na, hihintayin pa ba natin? Diba? Dapat, hindi ko kaya yata yan, Kicks. Bukod sa ang mahal, okay pa naman yung hairline ko. Problem ko yung buong buhok. Okay pa naman yung hairline ko, 'di ba? Sakto pa naman sa mukha. 'Di pa naman mataas, 'di ba? Mark Joseph, Pisces. Yes, okay ka pa naman. Nakikitaan ko lang ng bakas. Siyempre, to. Tapos, mas maganda daw, uunahan natin. Kaso, yung effect pala nung iba, parang lalong manlalagas or lalong ninipis. Natakot din naman ako mag-try ng mga kung ano nung serum, di ba? Oo, medyo, Libra. Effective ba yung mane and tail na shampoo? Hi, JN. Hi, Ellen. Yes, oo. Yes, Libra. Thank you. Nawala ba for a while? Tumaba no? Tsaka alam nyo, from 72 nung January, 72 kg. Ngayon, 67, 55. Na joke lang. Ganito na ako nun. Di naman, goal, same tayo, Libra. Goal ko is sana 64. Pero kahit 65. Rika! Uwi ka na. Hindi ka makaka-uwi, no? Okay lang yun, Rika. Malay mo, akong pumunta sa'yo dyan. Malay mo lang naman. Dubai, malay mo. Kahit walang abs, basta pumayat. Ikaw, one team. Ako naman, pag pumayat ako talaga, pag na-reach ko like lalo 64, mapapalabas ko ulit yung dapat ko ipalabas. Ay, mister. Kasi medyo nagka-chan talaga tayo, kaya... And I realize talaga, mabilis na yun, Rika. Kaya mo. Pero malay mo, mauna ako pumunta dyan, di ba? Basta, wino-workout natin ang abs kahit papano. Kahit mga 2 pirasong abs lumabas sana ngayong summer. No, hindi, feeling ko hindi consistent sa pagbubuhat. Dapat consistent sa right amount of food. Hindi ka dapat sumusobra. PJ, hello po sa mga bagong pasok. Kasi yun yung natutunan ko rin talaga. Hindi ka lang dapat basta nag-workout. Dapat wino-workout mo rin yung disiplina. Payatin ako, yes. Hindi naman kami talaga mga malalaki sa genes namin. Pero meron talaga kaming chan. Si Papa may chan. Mga kuya ko may chan. So yun yung lumalaki sa amin pag pinabayaan talaga. Paano po ba kumain ng hindi sobra? Tanong ko din yan dati. Pero, ayan, for 2 months naka-prep meal ako. Naka 1,200 calories lang ako. For 2 months na. So, ayan, nabawasan na ng 5 kilos. So, totoo, di ba? I mean, sasamahan mo lang din talaga ng disiplina. At syempre, nag-workout din naman ako. White rice wala na rin. Pero may brown rice minsan sa sa meal ko. Ayun. Pero, pag nag-cheat day ako, pag kumakain ako sa labas, hindi na talaga ako nag-white rice. Yes, nagka-cardio rin. Di pwedeng mawala yan. Lalo na pag naglo-lose ka talaga ng weight, cardio talaga dapat. Kasi pansin nyo, may mga pumapayat na hindi naman nag-workout. Pero kasi nagda-diet talaga sila. So, totoo kasi na number one talaga na sagot is food. Pangalawa pa lang ang workout. Food talaga yung number one na source. Kung tama yung kinakain natin talaga. Yes. So, ginagawa ko, for example, halimbawa, may dinner ako kasi may meal ako from Monday to Friday. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. If ever may biglaang lunch talaga or may dinner talaga, I can meal. Gagawin ko, hindi ko nakakainin yung dinner ko. So, ayun, minsan na natatapon ko talaga or napapanis na siya. Kasi, para hindi ako sumobra-sobra sa calories na goal ko a day. Pero nag-cheat day ako. As much as possible, one thing, tinitikman ko pa rin naman. At buti na lang, nakahanap din ako ng prep meal na masarap. Kasi nag-try ako like for 3 weeks, nagpapalit-palit ako ng prep meal. Sobrang nakakalungkot pag ang konti na nung kinakain mo hindi pa masarap, 'di ba? Aminin niyo. So nakahanap ako ng talagang every meal. In fairness, masarap naman. Oo, malaking bagay yung lasa talaga. Kasi ang konti na, yung tipong pagkakain mo, kahit uminom ka ng tubig, naghahanap ko pa rin ng pagkain. Tapos hindi pa masarap, 'di ba? Yes. Pero ayun, kung gusto niyo talaga mag-lose ng weight, dapat talaga binibilang niyo talaga yung calories na tinitake niyo a day. Rice, yes. Nasa top list talaga yan na dapat nyong bawasan. Pero gradually naman, di naman kailangan biglayin nyo yung pagdadayo. Sweets, ayan, isa pa. One thing na napaproud ako sa sarili ko lately kasi every time mabala, every time na mag-grocery ako, kahit ang dami kong gustong kunin, ang dami kong gustong tikman, kainin, may control na ako. As Rhea, may control na ako. Hindi, kaya ko nang tanggihan. Ang binibili ko na lang talaga ngayon sa groceries, mga protein bars, tapos yogurt, tapos um, prutas. Yan, prutas. Kasi pagkagising ko everyday sa morning, inom lang ako ng hot water. Tapos after that, mag-a-apple ako. Apple or saging. Tapos workout na ako. Tapos sinisimulan ko yung breakfast, lunch, dinner ko afternoon. So parang naka-fasting din ako. So naka-prep meal na ako, tapos naka-fasting pa ako. So not bad na rin siguro. Nabawasan na rin ng 5 kilos. Sana mga 3 kilos pa. So ayan, kaya siguro pumayat din talaga yung mukha. Kasi syempre, cardio rin, pawis, ganyan. Talagang uhumpak talaga. Yes, pwede rin yan. Spices. Tapos, wala na akong mga chichirya. Hindi ko pinapansin mga chichirya. Ganito na yung chichirya ko ngayon. Yeah, mga healthy green na pag talagang gutom na gutom, nakakaramdam ng hilo. Yan, nag-bread ako. Medyo pa kapapunta na ako dyan. Libra. Natutuwa na ako kapag nakikita ko yung may Like Spartan. Medyo tingnan natin. Fun run. Basta wag lang magsasamgyup after, no? Huwag ka nang sasama pag nag-ayaan ng samgyup o kaya hotpot. Dati ang lakas ko dyan, sweetheart. Ang hilig ko pa naman sa maalat tsaka matamis. Sino si sweetheart? Gesture. Sino yang? Galing no na nasusundan pa rin talaga. Meron ditong mga malapit na pwede kong gawin. May mga wall climbing. Tapos Kit Nad. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. Tapos basta may mga F45. Alam mo yung F45 libro? Meron din dito, malapit. F45 training. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. JM. Era. Helen, kamusta ka na, Helen? Merong chat ng chat. Walang kamalay-malay na naka-live na ako. Nagtatanong pa kailan daw magla-live. Super late na. Clyde. Request ka na, Helen. Last 2 songs na rin. At least nakaabot. Danny. Miss You Like Crazy po. Kakanta ko talaga. Ng Miss You Like Crazy. Last 2 songs na para kay Helen. Okay pa kaya? Okay pa kaya? X, check mo kung okay audio natin. Mabala, thank you. I used to call you my girl. I used to call you my friend. I used to call you the love. Give me. the love that I never had. When I think of you, I don't know what to do. When will I see you again? I'll miss you like crazy, even more than words can say. I'll miss you like crazy, every minute of every day. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around. Libra, thank you. I miss you like crazy. You're all that I want. Yes, sweetheart. Hello. You're all that I need. Can't you see how I feel? Can't you see that my pain's so real when I think of you? I don't know what to do. When will I see you again? I'll miss you like crazy, even more than words can say. I'll miss you like crazy, every minute of every day. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around. I miss you. Marte. Libra, thank you. Scorpion. Robert. Nanonood pa kasi yan. May prime time pa. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around. Thank you, Ding Lasa. CMV. Tita ko po talaga. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around. Chat ng chat pa talaga yung isa. Walang kamalay-malay, kicks. I miss you like crazy. Kanta pa tayo. Kicks, request pa kayo. Na-miss ko din eh. Na-miss ko magkaraoke dito. Helen, solo mo ang pag-request, Helen, no? Kik, solo nyo. Sige na. No, Marte. Hindi po. Hindi din. Wala ka pa. Sweetheart, request ka nga. Sige nga. Kayo nga lang dalawa maghahati eh. Di rin. Sake, Ralphie. Gusto kita? Astrea, anong gusto kita? Nakanta ko na ba yan? Mabala. Sabi ni Sweetheart, parang di ko pa ito nakakanta. Mabela. Gusto kita. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yun ba yun? Na-na-na-na-na-na. Hindi ko pa nga nakakanta. Yun lang alam ko din. SMG. Nag-request ba cake si Sweetheart? Blue box.
Sa unang tingin agad na humaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata, kay isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawari ang taglay mo tinatangi sa niya namang nakakabighani. Di maipaliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y akin nang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi mang di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggang. Mga gunita na laging naiisip, sumisilip ang itinakda ng mahiwaga. Liwanag na dulot mo, nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang-iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapiling. Sumisiping ang buwan at mga bituin na para bang sumasang-ayon sa atin ng kalawakan. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y akin nang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Palagi kita awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Hello po sa mga bagong papasok. Welcome comes. Pisces, welcome back.
Para luman ika'y akin nang dadalhin sa di mo'y nasang paraiso. Lagi kitang aawitan ng kundi mang di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, isasayaw kita. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. Okay na yun. Hazelyn! Oh my God! How are you? And are you sure you're here? Are you sure you're back? All good naman. Buti hindi mo pa dinidelete. Ayan, magandang tanong yan. Bakit di ka sumali sa Resback? Eh, wala din siya dito sa Pilipinas eh, di ba? I think, hindi i-give up ni Hazelyn ang I think hindi i-give up ni Hazelyn ang kanyang current career sa Dubai. Ang kanyang current work sa Dubai. Kasi it will take her so much time or mawawala siya sa work ng matagal. Diba? And I think hindi ma-afford to lose yun ni Hazelyn yun. Hazelyn, I'm rooting for you. Congrats sa... sa inyong dalawa, yes. Stay in love. Soon, sana makapag-Dubai ako. Thank you, Hazelyn, for dropping by. Andito pa rin ako, pero sobrang chill na lang. And nakukumusta lang once in a while sa aking mga family dito. Ingat dyan, ingat palagi. Ako, Kits, di mo ba ako tatanungin kung ba't di ako sumali sa Resback? Baka Resbackan ko pa sila doon. Kailan pala yan? Kailan Grand Eyeball? Parang mabilis lang yan, no? Tagal pa ba? Ilang grupo ba? Oh, 1 month lang daw yun. Naka 3 weeks na. Feeling ko mga 2 months naman. Kasi naka 3 weeks na eh, di ba? Or 3 weeks na to. Lelani! Cloud. Venison. After 2 weeks, my next round. Ha? Ano? Yung grupo na mananalo, sila na yung magkakalaban. Okay. King Fighter. Oo, yung mga natanggal, may chance ulit manalo. Yung mga grupong natalo na nila. Like yung Team Alab, lamang now, so sila matira. Tapos kukuha ulit dun sa mga natalong group. Hindi na. Oo. Ano yan eh. Avid fan. Die hard. Lahat ng season, memorize niya yung mga ano. Tapos isang group na lang yung magtutuloy-tuloy. Renalyn. RVZ. Laban ulit. Mabawasan lang isang group. Okay. So, 3 pa. 2 months pa nga yan. Julius, hello po sa mga kasama ko dyan sa baba. Hello. Aislinn, yes. Oo, maraming salamat sa pag-drop by. Mag-ingat kayo dyan palagi. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, thank you. Umalis na ikaw talaga. Alam ko nung patapos na rin yung pandemic, alam ko nakaalis na rin din agad sila usually. Makapag-Dubai na rin agad sila. Actually, meron ako isang streamer na nakita last Monday or Sunday. Kita kami bigla sa isang mall. Tapos, makakapagkwentuhan kami regarding Kumu, regarding sa mga campaigns before, regarding sa mga nangyari sa mga streamers din. Nakakatuwa lang din na pagkwentuhan. Sabi nga namin, happy to see na yung pandemic talaga, especially Kumu, naging blessing in disguise sa maraming streamers na pumasok dito ng pandemic. And super happy to see na most of the streamers nakapag-invest, nabago yung buhay, ganyan. So, ganun yung topic namin, nakakatawa. And we realized din talaga na yung mga campaigns din talaga noon, um, it's all part of the game, of the streaming world na kasi before nagkakaroon ng parang mga online away, online parinigan, ganyan-ganyan, blah, blah, blah. So, ah, parang kung babalikan namin, kung walang ganon, wala ring thrill, wala ring fun, hindi din nakaka-excite. So, yun yung mga flavors siguro din ng na 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 naging effect ng mga campaigns dito sa Kumu. Ayun lang, wala lang, kakatuwa lang din. Tapos, narinig ko rin story niya, sabi niya, nakapag-invest din siya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ngayon may hinuhulugan siyang kondo, ganyan. So, nakakatuwa lang. Ayun lang, na-share ko lang. Si Palakpak naman. Sweetheart, hindi mo ba alam kung ilan? Ikaw ang dapat nakakaalam niyan, di ako. Tatampo ko sa'yo niyan, di mo alam. Pakantayin mo na ako. Request na kay Helen. Sino pa nandyan? Tayo na lang nandito. 3 na lang tayo dito. Sige na. Sweetheart, ikaw na lang ulit. Asprea. Wala na si... Ito pa ba si Chernets? Julius? Sige, wag na. Nakikinig lang yan. May ginagawa siguro si Teacher Ned. Smile in your heart. Game. Laban tayo dyan. Feeling ko may mga kinakanta tayo noon pa na hindi na natin nakakanta ulit. Hindi na natin siya na dadaanan kasi lately, eto mga last streams, meron tayong mga kinakanta na lang palagi.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, Sushi, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together. No one can break us apart. Thank you, Sushi. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. Sushi, thank you. Hi, Cash. When the night comes and I'm feeling your heart, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet, tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Hi, kay Lani. Sushi, thank you. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Wang Xiaowei, hello. Yuan, hello po sa mga bagong pasok sa sundo. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? At the best. Then happy. Give me a smile in your heart. Lenzones, I then happy. Julius, thank you, Julius. Thank you, Julius. Make it with you. Pwede. Miss Gukod. $38, hello po sa inyo lahat, sa mga nandiyan po sa baba. Tanungin mo si Sweetheart. Dapat alam niya yan. Acoustic version. Hey, have you ever tried? Sushi, thank you. Trees there for those who sleep. Abella. Love is for us to keep. And if you wonder what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. Rika, Mabella, thank you, man. I really think that we could make it, girl. Lucy, thank you. Thank you, fam. No, you don't know me well. Isha abot pa last two songs. Every little thing, only time will tell. If you believe the things that I do, then we'll see it through. Oh, well, Riga, thank you. Love can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, okay.
No problem, fam.
Baby, you know that dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. I really think that we could make it, girl.
Alright. Make it with you. Make it with me. Hello, fam, sa mga bagong pasok. Hello po. Sushi Burger, thank you so much. Sir Julius, thank you. Mabel Lariga, thank you. Desi. Nakaabot si Desi tsaka si Ishe. Last 2 songs. I miss you, fam. Miss ko na kayo. Sino si Julius pala? Baka nag-change to ng username, ah. Abot na abot, Desi. Kakatapos lang ba ng live ng prime time? O, request na kayo. Cakes, request ka pa. Kanta tayo. Well, dami ko na nakwento kanina. Oh, ayan. Ongoing pa lang. O, request na. Cakes. One only for you. Ayoko, balik tayo sa binili sa grocery. Nasabi ko na, ano ba? Ano pang dadagdag ko din? Disiplina nga yung kailangan. One and only for you. Sana all. Ay, ano request? Sino kaya si Julius? Kicks, i-chat mo na yung isa, Kicks. Wala ka mali-mali na naka-live pala ako. Savage. Sino yung lagi nagre-request ng When I Met You? Bago lang po ako dito sa LS nyo, sir. Apo version to. Acoustic.
There I was, an empty piece of a shell, minding my own road without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hand. When I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good. And I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you.
RG, di pa tapos yata daw ah. Positive. Thank you, Dior Red Blue Heart. Hello. Sa mga bagong pasok pa, hello. Kay Abby, welcome back. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat.
And I'm sure when the evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who love could ask for more? You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling.
Pumpkin.
You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you.
Rika or 13.
When I met you.
Sir, thank you, sir. 13. Margie. Thank you, fam. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you po. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Oops. Thank you po. Gold box. Yes, request pa kayo kasi na-miss ko rin mag-karaoke dito. Alam niyo yun, through singing, nalalabas ko yung mga wow! Emmy.
But in love,
Okay na 'to? Hi, Trisha, nandiyan ka pala. Sayang naman, Jolene, iunat natin. Kurik. It's a kurik. Aw, aw.
Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. But that isn't mine, it wasn't meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes and your smile. You've never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. But I love them endlessly. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if it's you, it's you. It's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, Savvy. You can go to bed without a cup of tea. And maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep. Though it makes no sense to me. Sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still love to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. Sushi, thank you. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. It's you they add up to. I'm in love with. And all these little things, you never love yourself half as much as I love you. You never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. I let you know I'm here for you. Maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, and now just let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. It's you they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you they add up to, and I'm in love with you. All your little things.
Ben Abby, thank you so much. Sushi, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Salamat po. Baby Reese, Gracie Crazy. Good evening po. Hello sa mga bagong pasok sa stream. Go welcome po. Thank you so much. Sushi. Ben Abby, thank you. Ano kikwento? Nakanto ko na eh. Ba't siyempre hindi na mauulit yung nakwento na. Tama ba? Tama, mali. Artistahin. Mali. Mali daw. Tabis. Busy yata si Tabis. Sinustorbo nyo naman. Frog boy. Ralph, Dior, Richard Dean. Si Kiko daw panay tawag. Si Kiko, inistorbo mo pa. Ikaw talaga. Kaya nga wag nang istorbohin. Kayo talaga. Jays. Ate She. Ate Xiao. Ate Xiao. Abot pa Ate Xiao. Last 2 songs. Maria. Miss you so much, E. Grabe naman yung may much pa. Diyan pa ba si Trisha? Trisha. Ano request ni Trisha? Angel Baby. Angel Baby. Buti nakaabot, no? Aba, syempre naman natin siya. Syempre naman. Ala eh. Ito ba yun? Alright, ito nga.
I need a lover to keep me safe. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give him my all when I don't even have it. I always dream of a solemn face. Someone to feel like a hot little day. But now I'm in pieces, really believe it. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you how I almost died. Well, you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever. Until I gave up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby. I fall in love with the little things. Counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell me a secret, baby I'll keep it. And maybe we can play house for the weekend. You came out of blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you how I almost died. Well, you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Starting giving up on the world forever. Until the game of heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby.
Hello po sa mga bagong pasok.
I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Starting giving up on the world forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby, angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby.
Angel Baby. Maraming salamat, fam. Thank you so much. Joyce! Welcome to the stream, Joyce. Sa mga hindi ko nabati kanina, hello po sa mga bagong pasok at bagong labas na rin. Hello po. Thank you, fam. Yes, anong topic sa baba? I love you. Sushi Burger, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ate Shao, thank you. Swaggy Boy, Ard, and wow, ba't biglang dumami? Baron. Shady, thank you. JC. Anyari. Sadie. Sadie. Hello po sa lahat ng bagong pasok. Ano po nangyari kaya? Sadie. Oo, ba't kaya? Matchaga. Ala, ano nangyari po? Tinundan si Tabis. Spotlight Trap. Wala. Lalabas lang din sila. Ikaw na ba ang keso sa daw? Hello po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my stream. Ako, hindi naman po. Bagong ligo lang siguro. Jean Ski. Thank you. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Na-miss namin yung ganyan. Yung marami pumapasok. Ate Show. Jam. Sobrang nakakamiss po yung ganyan talaga. You know, those were the days po talaga para sa amin dito. Salamat po. Tawa naman si Sir. Oh. Sino kaya to si Sir? May ano pala, para ano siya, parang spotlight, parang siguro ilalagay yung, parang pag nakalagay yung account mo sa unahan siguro ng Explore. Bigla rin tumaas eh. Gulat tayo, di ba? Alam nga magstay yan. Di ba? Alam magstay yan at naglampas 100. Baka magulat naman tayo lalo. Dami nangyari, no? Well, lagi naman dami nangyari kasi pag dito nag-stream ulit. Positive dapat, yes. I believe positive dapat talaga. Positive is, positive outlook lang tayo dapat sa buhay. Gasti. Hi, Gasti. Mr. Cal, positive is next to positivity, right? Heaven knows. Heaven knows what to say. Even though for right now you're so far away, I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart I always stay good lady. What Aru? Heaven knows.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost wrapped down, swelling as I keep on dipping my face in this cold hand of mine. Heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought that I'd strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Shout, thank you. Sushi Burger, thank you. Margie, thank you. Drew. I'm so tired. I feel like catching 40 winks, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these fumes of making. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped the wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought that I'd strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Ate Shao, thank you. Margie, thank you. Ate Shao, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Salamat po. 400, hello po sa lahat na kasama namin dyan.
nakakamiss, no? Every time mag-stream, nakakamiss. Eh, kasi, well, ayun nga, hindi natin actually lagi nagagawa. Kaya, ayun, nakakamiss lang. Welcome back. Welcome back ulit sa susunod na stream. Di naman. May pinagkakabisihan lang din lately, fam. So, as much as possible, gusto ko rin naman talaga mag-stream. Ano lang talaga. Trying my best. Trying my best. Rain, Gar, only you, Astrea. Kailanman na 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 na. Sad song pala yan, no? Kicks, no? Sad pala yan. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumama tonight. Yes, medyo pa-end na rin tayo. Pa-end na rin tayo talaga. Ate Elves!
Saan na siya ngayon? Hinahanap mo, di mo alam lahat ng iyong gagawin. Wala siya sa piling mo. Puso ko ito, iaalay ko sa'yo lamang. Kaya't huwag nang magdarang, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y natalaan. Kailanman di ka masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawala. Pang iniibig mo, yun pang nandoko sa'yo, di na yata tama ito. Di magkaganon kung ako ang pipiliin mo. Pangako'y di mabibigo, ako ay iyong. Kailanman kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay. Kailanman di kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay. Kailanman kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. bakit nandiliw? Di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman.
Nag-wish ako for 11/11. Thank you so much. Ate Shao, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, fam. 11/11 pa rin sa akin, tabis. Hirap talaga pag di fully paid yung phone. Palitan mo na yan. Ah, Ate Shao, maraming salamat. May, how are you, May? Yes. All right. Ellen. Ate Shao, maraming salamat. Thank you, Sushi. Si kay one only. Thank you. Miss Charm. Oy, maganda yung leaves. Gusto ko yung leaves ngayon. Sige. Lalaban natin yung leaves. Laban. Napapanahon.
I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right. 'Cause everything we cherish is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me, it makes me feel blue. How can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you? And in the end, everything we have makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of trees, and all will be alright in time.
Good mix.
From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Really needs.
Abot na abot pa.
Leaves overgrown, calm the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. All of this comes with a love that is real. All will be alright in time. 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 Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to forgive. Took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Back of the photo album that you had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Request ni Kiko to. Dagdaga was and cards and stuffed animals. With the old ginger beer down the sink. That always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah. You're home. Totoo nga, kaya nag-extend. Of the pillows, made the bed, stuck the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he traveled and put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah. You're home. Others. Good evenings, thank you. Sino yan? You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, we'll say hallelujah, you're home. Thank you, fam. Salamat po.
Louie!
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. Minotaur. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. I miss you, fam. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Asa ka, Louie? Thank you, May. Eileen, I hear our music play. Reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true. Thank you, po. But in my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Like that. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng dumaan. May nag-pa-spotlight na naman yata. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Ay, hello po sa inyo lahat. Ate Shaw, maraming salamat. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Helen, Ishe, Teacher Teen, Mavella, Libra. Sino yun?
Ate Elves, maraming salamat po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Libra, Louie, Rica, March, Kicks, May, Eileen, Tweety Nix, Sir Julius, Dan Abby, Ate Elves, Ate She, I Only Love You, Sushi Burger. Maraming salamat, Ate Elves. No problem po. Maraming salamat. Hi, Zat. Sorry. Medyo maaga tayo nag-start kasi kanina. Thank you so much po sa lahat na nandyan pa. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-follow. Maraming salamat po. Hotel, sorry. Aga lang din nag-start. Pasensya na, pero maraming salamat. Ma'am, sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. Sana hindi na mas matagal. Sana mas maka-stream tayo. Frequently. Good night. I love you all, fam. Maraming salamat sa mga bago po namin kaibigan dyan. Thank you po sa lahat na nag-follow. See you next time.